Welcome back, everyone. The jury is set to deliberate the fate of Areli Escobar today.
Closing arguments have wrapped up in the capital murder trial. Escobar charged with raping and murdering Bianca Maldonado in May of 2009. Our Chris Sadeghi has covered the trial since it began last Thursday and is at the Justice Complex live with the latest. Chris?
Well, this case has been investigated for 2 years, and now it is up to the jury to judge the facts. But before they went into deliberations, they heard two very compelling closing arguments. The prosecution says everything a jury likes to have in front of them, they've given this jury. She's talking about DNA, witnesses, phone calls, fingerprints, all the smoking guns. Prosecutor Allison Wetzel says they have in this case. But defense attorney Steve Britton spent almost all of his argument shooting holes in the science. He says that all those scientists with their PhDs once upon a time said that cigarettes do not cause cancer, that nicotine was not addictive, only to change their tune years down the road. He also said, remember past cases where people have been locked up and then later exonerated due to mistakes in DNA and scientific errors. But was that enough to raise reasonable doubt with the jury? That's the question, and the answer could determine the fate of Areli Escobar.
The only conclusion you can draw from that evidence is that this defendant was inside that apartment, that this defendant inflicted those 46 stab wounds, those 30 cuts on Bianca Maldonado, that this defendant took some object, we'll never know, and penetrated her.
The scientific community, don't take a backseat to it. Let me tell you, our community, jurors, trials, verdicts.
And we expect that deliberations will begin after a lunch break, and a verdict could come sometime today. Stay tuned to KXAN and KXAN.com, because when it happens, we'll have it for you right away. We're live at the Travis County Justice Complex. Chris Sadeghi, KXAN, Austin News.
All right.